How to find your plat. In this video, we will walk you through these steps on how to find your plat, a formal record on file with the county for your property. Type in the search box, cobbcounty.org/GIS. Once you're on the Cobb County GIS website, click here on this link. Then scroll down till you see My Neighborhood Cobb County application. Then click on it. Once the Cobb County GIS website loads, click OK on the disclaimer. Go to the upper left corner, type in your address in the search box. You will notice the auto-completion of your address. Select your address from the drop-down. Here is the aerial view of your property. Go to the top menu bar, click on the purple, red, and green book stack icon. A pop-up layer menu appears on the right. You should then click on Parcel, and from the drop-down, select Land Lots and Subdivisions. You will notice the land district and the name of your neighborhood on the map. Write down this information as you will need it later. Next, click on a new tab to open a new browser. Type in the search box, Cobb County Superior Court Clerk. Click on the link for the Superior Court Clerk. Click on the Search Records button. Click on the Search Real Estate Records link. Then click on the Land Description option. Here, you can refer back to the note you wrote down earlier for the land district and the name of the subdivision. Type in the fields the first set of digit, which is for the land district. The second set is for the land lots, and then the subdivision name. Type this information in the boxes accordingly. From the Book Type drop-down menu, select Plat Book, then click Search. From the File Date column, locate the entry with the most recent file date. Then go to the first column, click on the middle image icon to view the most recent file. And here's your plat. To download and save your plat, click on the down arrow in the upper right corner. Browse to documents on your desktop. Click New Folder from the top menu bar, then type the name for the new folder. Hit Enter and then click Save to save your file. After saving your file, you may close all windows and browser. Thank you for watching.